Good morning, everybody. My name is Gennady, and I'm an attorney with the Law Office of Moshes. Today, what I wanted to talk to you about was how to pick the right attorney. One of the most important things that you want to focus on is picking an attorney that actually practices in the field of law that you need an attorney for. For instance, you don't need a personal injury attorney to represent you in a real estate matter. So if you're looking to buy or sell a house, you're not going to go to an injury-related attorney that knows nothing about real estate transactions. And the same applies for a labor and employment matter. If you're discriminated against at work or you're being sexually harassed at work, you don't want to go to a law firm that predominantly only focuses on real estate matters. Now, it's important to know that law firms do have separate departments inside the practice. Each department may have an area of focus. And at the end of the day, you want to do your research and find out how many people within the law firm practice within the individual departments and the area of laws that each department focus in. So if you're looking for ABC law firm and you need a real estate attorney, ABC law firm may practice real estate, and ABC law firm may have another department that practices labor and employment matters. Bottom line is, do your research and make sure that the law firm that you are choosing practices and focuses in the area that you need representation in. And if it's not the entire law firm that practices in the area, you want to absolutely make sure that they have a department and attorneys that focus predominantly in the area that you need. The next thing is, confirm the attorney's credentials, confirm the law firm's credentials. Go online, start reading about them. Find out what other people are saying. How are their reviews? Have they handled any notable cases? This is important because this is going to tell you the type of experiences other people have had with the firm and the experience that the firm actually has in the area of practice that you're looking for. Another thing for you to keep in mind is speak to your family and friends. If your family and friends have gone through legal matters and they've fell in love with legal representation that they've previously used, listen to them. Call that attorney. Find out if they can help you. Now, that's not to say you want to go to an attorney that your family or friend have used to write a will and you need them to represent you in a personal injury matter. Don't go ahead and hire somebody that only does wills for personal injury matters. What you want to do is you want to listen to your family and friends for advice. You want to take their initial idea of what they thought that their attorney or law firm could potentially do for you and what they have done for their case. So that's a good place to start, in addition to everything that you've read online. The next part is, you want to make sure that they're affordable. The law firm, the attorney, that their hourly rate, if this is going to be a matter that's going to be paid for at an hourly rate, is affordable to you. And you could find the best attorney out there, but you're going to come to find out, once you've spoken to them, that you can't afford them. Don't spend too much time on something that you can't afford. Don't go into a Mercedes-Benz dealership knowing that you have a budget of only a Hyundai. It's very important to know what your financial limitations are, so that from the outset you're going to be able to focus your research, time, and efforts on locating an attorney and legal representation that you can actually hire and afford. Now, if it's a case that's going to focus on a contingency type of fee, then it's not very important for you in regards to affordability. Now, a contingency type of case is where the attorney takes a percentage of the amount that they recover as their fee at the end of the case. It's not anything that you will have to pay out of pocket up front, so you can go to the best attorney or the attorney that you feel is the best, even if you think that they're too expensive. If it's a contingency type of case, nothing comes out of pocket at the beginning for your case. Typical types of contingency fee cases are labor and employment matters and personal injury matters. And last and most importantly, most likely, is listen to your gut. Your gut is most likely going to tell you which way to go. If your attorney that you're looking for or that you're trying to hire is not being responsive to you, if the staff is not being responsive to you, even before you hire them, listen to your gut. They're most likely not going to be responsive to you throughout the matter. You want to hire an entire firm, not just one individual. You want to hire somebody that has a backup and staff that'll be able to answer all of your questions, no matter if the attorney's in the office or not. If your gut is telling you you'll never get somebody on the line from the firm that you're speaking with, you're most likely correct. Again, my name is Gennady from the Law Office of Moshes. We focus our practice and our departments on real estate, labor and employment, and personal injury matters. Thank you, everybody, and have a great day.